Hi everyone, welcome back to English Classes Online, the place to build your confidence in English one step at a time. Today we are going to learn something that confuses a lot of English learners, prepositions of time and place. Have you ever wondered when to say in, on, or at? For example, is it I was born in May or I was born on May? Do we say I am in school or I am at school? Don't worry, I've got you covered with clear rules and real life examples. I am your host, Benjamin. Let's get started right away. Prepositions of time and place made easy. Let's start with this basic question. What are prepositions? Prepositions are words that show relationships between things, especially time and place. Today, we are focusing on two main types: prepositions of time when something happens, and prepositions of place where something happens. Let's begin with prepositions of time. Number one, in. Use in for longer periods like months, years, centuries, and parts of the day. For example, A, I was born in May, month, in. B, he graduated in 2022, year, in 2022. C, we study in the morning, part of the day, in the morning. You can say in the morning, in the evening, in the night, in the afternoon. Okay. Number two, on. Use on for specific days and dates. For example, A, the meeting is on Monday, a specific day. B, my birthday is on July 5th, a specific date. C, I will see you on Christmas Day, a specific day, a day. 3, at. Use at for specific times and some holidays without day. The train leaves at 7:30. The train leaves at 7:30. B, let's meet at noon. C, I love staying home at Christmas. Okay, a holiday without day. You see the difference between at Christmas and on Christmas Day. Now, this is quiz time. Let's test your knowledge of the use of prepositions of time. Fill in the blanks. The first question, I go to bed blank 10 p.m. You see the blank space there, the dash, if you like. I go to bed blank 10 p.m. So figure out the correct preposition to fill in the blank. The answer is at. I go to bed at 10 p.m., a specific, time. Number two, the class starts dash Monday. Is it in Monday, at Monday, or on Monday? The answer is on. The class starts on Monday. Next, we have he was born dash 1999. So figure out the correct preposition to fill in the gap. The answer is in. He was born in 1999 because that is a year, the year. You use in for years. This brings us to prepositions of place. Number 1, in. Use in for something inside an enclosed space. Something inside an enclosed space. For example, the books are in the bag. The bag is an enclosed space. So the book is in the bag. Number 2, she lives in Lagos. She lives in Lagos. There is milk in the fridge. There is milk in the fridge. Number 2, on. Use on for surfaces or something attached. Surfaces or something attached. For example, the phone is on the table. The table is a surface. The phone is on the table. There is a picture on the wall. The sign is on the door. On the door. Number 3, at. Use at to talk about specific points or locations. For example, she's at the door. The door is a specific location, a specific place. I am at the bus stop, a specific location. We met at the mall, a specific location. Okay. Now, it's quiz time to test your knowledge of the use of prepositions of place. Again, fill in the blanks. Number 1, there is water dash the pot. Is it on the pot, in the pot, or at the pot? The answer is in. There is water in the pot because the pot is an enclosed space. All right. Next, we have the laptop is dash the desk. The laptop is blank the desk. The answer is on. The laptop is on the desk because the desk is a surface. They are dash the airport. So do you use on the airport, at the airport, or in the airport? All right. The answer is at because the airport is a specific location. They are at the airport. They are at the airport. Now it's time to look at common mistakes with prepositions of time. Let's look at the common mistakes that English users make with prepositions of time. Mistake number 1, saying at Monday instead of on Monday. So it is wrong, for example, to say, I have an exam at Monday. That is absolutely wrong. The correct thing is to say, I have an exam on Monday. Now here is the tip. Use on for specific days and dates. You can say I have an exam on Monday or I have an exam on July 3rd, for example. On Monday, on July 5th, on Christmas Day. Okay? Those are examples. Mistake number 2, using in with clock time is wrong. For example, it's wrong to say the meeting starts in 9 a.m. That's an awkward way of using that preposition. The correct thing is to say the meeting starts at 9 a.m. The meeting starts at 9 a.m. Here is the tip. Use at for specific times. Specific time. At 9 a.m., at noon, at bedtime. A specific time. Now, mistake number 3, using on with months or years. It is wrong, for example, to say she was born on July. The correct thing is to say she was born in July. Okay? Here is the tip. Use in for longer periods, like in July, in 1999, in the 20th century. Now, mistake number 4, mixing time and place usage. For example, it is wrong to say he arrived on the airport in 9 a.m. That is wrong. The correct thing is to say he arrived at the airport at 9 a.m. Because the airport is a specific location, 9 a.m. is a specific time. You use at for specific time and specific location. Okay? Now, here is the tip. At is often used for both specific places and specific times. Okay? Now, still on prepositions. Okay, now we come to common mistakes with prepositions of place. We have looked at prepositions of time. Now we are going to look at common mistakes with prepositions of place. Let's look at the first example. Mistake number 1, using in instead of on for surfaces. For example, it is wrong to say the paper is in the table. That is wrong. The correct thing is to say the paper is on the table. Here is the tip. Use on when something is resting on a surface. For example, on the table, on the wall, on the floor. Use on for surfaces. Mistake number 2, using on instead of in for enclosed spaces. For example, it is wrong to say the money is on the bag. A bag is an enclosed space, so the correct thing is to say the money is in the bag. In the bag. The tip is to use in when something is inside or surrounded. In the room, for example, in the box, in the bag. Still on common mistakes with prepositions of place. Mistake number 3, confusing in and at for locations. It is wrong, for example, to say I am in the station waiting. Station is a specific location. So the correct thing is to say I am at the station waiting. Use at for specific points or public places. For example, at the bus stop, at school, at the restaurant. Use in if you are inside the building or structure. For example, in the school building, in the restaurant kitchen. Mistake number 4, saying in the internet instead of on the internet. It is wrong to say I found the answer in the internet. Okay? The correct thing is I found the answer on the internet. Think of the internet like a platform. We say on the internet, on television, on YouTube. Okay? Now, final pro tip, use this shortcut to remember. Here we have preposition, what it is used for, and examples. In is used for inside and long periods. For example, in the bag, that is inside something. In July, long period. On is used for surfaces and specific days and dates. For example, on the table for a surface, on Monday for a specific day. At is used for specific points in time or place, specific points in time or place. For example, at the station, specific place, specific location, at 7 p.m., specific time. This is where we draw the curtains on today's video. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, share with friends learning English, and remember to hit the notification bell so that whenever a new video is uploaded on the channel, you will be notified instantly. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next class.